Namaste Gurukulian, I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. So, dear students, welcome back Physical Education and Sports for Children with Special Need Divyang, Chapter 4. It is the part 4th of this chapter and it is of class +1. Both side in +1 and +2, same chapter is going on, Physical Education and Sports with Children with Special Need. Only that for +2 that one is advanced one or it is the basic one. Some games and events we will discuss in this. So today we will discuss about IPC, International Paralympics. ICG, Paralympics Games. Okay, International Paralympic Games. Paralympic, that word is used for those are disabled one, means some those people having a disability. Those are not having any type of body part, cause of any war, cause of any accident, cause of any riots. Any reason may be there behind the disability. If that disabled person or even those are having a visual impairment, means blind also, they can also participate in the Paralympic Games. So those are having a disability or those are having some skills that they can perform in the games with disability also, so they can participate in the Paralympic Games. Okay, Paralympic Games. Some disabilities are given in this Paralympics. Those are having intellectual disability, any impairment, mobility impairment, mobility disability, third one amputation, I think chin bin, fourth one blind, those are blind one, fifth one short stature and cerebral palsy, short stature and cerebral palsy. Intellectual disability, you know, bodhik, mobility, body movement relate to body, amputation, cause of accident, that any body part they lost, blind, short stature, any part is short or limbs, or cerebral palsy related to cerebral columns. Vertebral column means रीढ़ की हड्डी. Okay. Now that game, father of IPG, father of IPG, that is Ludwig Gutzmann. Okay, that was the person of who is responsible, who take responsibility to start IPG, International Paralympic Games, because this boy believe in power of skill. Power of skills, or we can say power of physical activity. Power of physical activity or skill, here is he given this because the strongest desire, we can say strongest instinct in human being is to play anything, games. We know, even maybe we are sleeping at home, or then we know that we have to play that match, or how much energetic immediately we become, or we go to ground and start playing the game. Ludwig Gutzmann. Okay. Date when it started. From 1948. From 1948, International Paralympic Games started. These games held in between of Summer Olympic Games. Like suppose in 48 Summer Olympic is game, then in 1950, like this these games held. Okay. 1948, governing body, or we can say organization body of International Paralympic Games is IPC. International Paralympic Committee. Okay, International Paralympic Committee, headquarter in Bonn, Germany. Head Andrew Pearson. Andrew Pearson is the head of IPC, International Paralympic Committee, and its headquarter is Bonn, Germany. Flag, 3 color are there like this, that is red, blue and green color. 3 type of these symbols are there in Paralympic, like this. Okay, 3 color. Okay, and motto of the IPC, is Spirit in Motion. Spirit in motion. Spirit in motion. One more thing is there. After 1988, 1988 Seoul Summer Olympic. Seoul Summer Olympic, that International Paralympic Games held, IPG held immediate after summer or winter Olympic Games. In same city. After 1988, like 1988 Seoul Summer Olympic Games held, then in 1988 after the completion of Summer Olympic Games, then International Paralympic Games begin on the same place. This happening after 98, with every year it's happening now. Like last year 2016, then Paralympic Games also after completion of Rio de Janeiro 2016 Olympic, Paralympic Games also take place. Or now that to 2020 that Tokyo Olympic, it is postponed, or to 2021 it is, when Summer Olympic Games, that normal Olympic Games will complete. After that, same place in Tokyo, Paralympic Games will take place. Or same like this, here I talk about Winter Olympic Games. Same International Paralympic Winter Olympic Games are also organized by the IPC. IPC. Okay, for this video this much about that IPC, general information about the IPG, International Paralympic Games, governing body IPC, International Paralympic Committee, and the headquarter of International Paralympic Committee, that is in Bonn, Germany. Head of the IPC is Andrew Pearson, or like who is the father of IPG, International Paralympic Games, that is Ludwig Guttmann. Same like Pierre Baron de Coubertin, who is the known as the father of Olympic Games. So this much information in this video. In next part we will do the opening ceremony, closing ceremony or medal ceremony of the IPG. So for today, for this video this much. Thank you. Take care of your health.